Hey everyone, this is Neil from Coon Dogs Adventures. Out here on Pawtucket Lake, fishing in this beautiful pond, and I just landed myself a huge bass. I don't know if you can see that. This thing is ginormous. There you go. Look at the size of that. It's gonna be one of the largest ones I caught so far. I'm gonna try to take him off the hook here and show you guys. But man, is he a big one. Here we go. Look at the size of that. That's got to be 5-6 pounds. Sorry guys, I'm in my kayak here and I'm just trying to catch some big bass. Alright, I'm so psyched about this. Look at the size of him. That's a big one. I can get my arms out there long enough. Alright guys. I used a minnow. He's still in the mouth right there. And the size of him. Jeez, I caught that on my kayak. Right here at Pawtucket Lake Park. Got the GoPro on the back. Yeah, that's it. Coon Dogs Adventures. Please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it, and thank you for watching this video.